Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohammed Aji Prasetyo from GA class. Right now, I'm going to present about the crowdfunding in the midst of global pandemic. As we know that in the beginning of March, Indonesia received a dire news when President Joko Widodo announced that there are 2 people infected by coronavirus in Depok. This news certainly brings various reactions from Indonesian people, especially the netizen in social media. There are some people who shocked because of this revelation. There are people who try to ease the moods by making jokes, and there are also some people who get panic instantly and goes all the way around to panic buying, like hoarding instant noodles, buying masker, buying things that I don't understand what's the relation with pandemic, and also this kind of people that I'm quite confused how to describe them. While the other country doing lockdown, our government responded to this event of pandemic by ordering the immediate social distancing. So, what is the social distancing? Social distancing is the act of keeping physical distance as safe as possible with people from outside of your home in order to reduce the spread of contagious diseases such as coronavirus. Social distancing itself has its own pros and cons. The positive side is the fact that it helps to reduce the spread of virus, but the negative side is its impact to economy. The Minister of Labor, Ida Fauzia, stated that there are approximately 3 million people who lose their job since social distancing is implemented, which means that the number of unemployed increased. Now, we wonder, what is the relation between social distancing and the number of unemployment? Social distancing means people should not come into contact with another people, so the activities that involve mass gatherings such as car-free day, drinking coffee with your friends at cafe are strictly forbidden, which makes several sectors lose their income. We could give a prime example such as tourism sector. Tourism sector got close to reduce the spread of coronavirus because in Indonesia the income from tourism comes from foreign tourists such as from China and from Europe. Meanwhile, because of social distancing, people are prohibited to come into Indonesia, and thus it decreased the income of tourism sector. When firms lose their revenue, they will try to reduce the cost of production. It means cutting the number of employees, which leads to the increase in the unemployment. Even though we are undergoing a global pandemic and people are going to panic buying, but there's another hope in the increase of solidarity of Indonesian people. Some artists and entertainers try to raise funds to help people who are badly impacted by coronavirus and also help the medical team with supplies of medical equipment. We can say a musician such as Didi Kempot, Giring Niji, and many others are doing live music online to raise funds. Not only that, people also raise funds through crowdfunding platforms such as Kitabisa to help people who needs, to help providing protective equipment such as masks and hand sanitizer for medical teams, providing food and basic needs for poor people and people who got fired by firms. This movement gives positive impact not only to poor people but also every citizen, whether they are rich or poor. They reduce the panic in society through creative activities to avert citizens' attention from going outside and also to make people to stay at home. They help people who almost lost their job because of coronavirus, such as online driver and people from informal economic sector. They also help government to provide protective equipment for medical teams. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for listening my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.